Hey traders, Mike Sir here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the hottest topic right now, and it's AI. Now, you might have heard of OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Bard, or Microsoft's Bing AI, and saw the capabilities of these AI chatbots. Now, they can help you answer any questions that you have along with tasks such as writing an essay or computer code for you. But what about all the things that can help you with trading? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you how AI is currently used in the financial markets and how you can use AI to help you make money. So let's get started. First off, artificial intelligence, or AI, involves the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Now, in the financial markets, AI has actually been prevalent for a while in algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data, uncover price patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. Now, in recent years, these algorithms can also process news articles, determine market sentiment, forecast future stock prices, and scan through social media to make informed trading decisions. And this is one of the reasons why there's so much hype right now about how AI can revolutionize how we trade. Now, for example, they can operate 24/7 without any emotions, eliminating the human bias that often affects trading decisions. Also, AI can process data at lightning speed, enabling it to react swiftly to market changes, and one of the reasons why markets nowadays can change on a dime. Furthermore, AI can consider a multitude of factors simultaneously, far beyond even what an experienced human trader can handle. Before I share the two types of AI trading, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by GainTrade.
They are a leading financial application for statistical pair arbitrage trading that has an AI-powered algorithm to help you identify the best pairs to trade. As well, they have a smart and easy-to-use interface that automates the whole pair trading process from order execution to risk management. To utilize their powerful pair trading application, all you have to do is sign up for an account at gaintrade.ai and connect it to your broker. Another option is they have partnered with Try to Be Funded, a leading funded prop trading firm, to offer their application to their traders. Click on the link in the description box below to sign up for a free paper trading account to create and test out your arbitrage trading strategy today.
Now, AI-driven strategies in trading can be broadly categorized into quantitative trading and algorithmic trading. Now, quantitative trading, also known as quant trading, involves creating mathematical models to identify trading opportunities. And these models are developed using historical market data and are designed to capture patterns that may not be evident to human traders. Now, quant traders use statistical techniques, data analysis, and mathematical modeling to develop strategies that can exploit market inefficiencies. And these strategies can involve factors such as price movements, trading volume, volatility, and other market indicators. For example, AI is used in GainTrade's bot builder to help you find the best combinations of stock pairs to trade every day. Now, even with 1,300 stocks and forming pairs only within specific stock groups, there are approximately 100,000 pairs available for selection every day. Now, it's physically impossible for a human to review so many stocks on a daily basis. Therefore, the task of selecting the best pairs or filtering out the worst ones is well suited for AI. For algorithmic trading, also known as algo trading, focuses on automating the execution of trading strategies based on a predefined rule. AI-powered algorithms monitor the market in real time and execute trades automatically when specific conditions are met. And these conditions can range from simple price triggers to more complex combinations of technical indicators. Algo trading aims to execute trades swiftly and efficiently, taking advantage of small price discrepancies that may occur within fractions of a second. And this type of trading is called high-frequency trading, where algorithms execute a large number of trades within a short period of time, often in milliseconds. For example, algo trading is used in GainTrade's AI bot to help you execute a pair trading order execution flawlessly, buying the first stock and short selling the second one. This is all about speed, as it will be challenging for a human trader to execute two trade orders at the same time. Both quant and algo trading utilize AI technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and data analytics to analyze and interpret market data. And these strategies can identify historical patterns, predict future price movements, and manage risk in ways that human traders might not be able to achieve due to the volume and complexity of the data involved. AI trading, while offering numerous benefits, is not without its risk and challenges. And it's important to understand and manage these risks to ensure the responsible and effective use of AI in trading. First, since AI models are typically trained on historical data, they might not be equipped to handle extreme unforeseen events, also known as black swan events, such as the 2020 COVID pandemic. And these events can lead to significant market volatility and disrupt the performance of AI trading strategies. The fact is, AI-driven trading models work best in stable, predictable markets. Also, as more and more people use AI in trading, there's a risk in various algorithms making similar trading decisions simultaneously. And this can amplify market movements that can lead to even more volatility in the financial markets. Lastly, relying solely on AI trading can lead to the absence of human judgment, intuition, and adaptability. Human traders can bring contextual understanding and the ability to adjust strategies based on changing market dynamics. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.